today's video, we're going to talk about how you can manifest anything you want so fast that your head is spinning. So let's dive deeper. First, I want to share with you my story, how I was able to very quickly quantum jump into a very different reality, manifest my husband within 30 days. Then 30 days later, I was engaged. 9 months later, I became mom. I mean, my head was spinning. Same thing happened with my business. I made six figure within 12 months of starting my coaching business. Year later, first month, six figures. So these things are powerful. We're going to talk about how you can shift into totally different timeline quickly and instantly, and then how you can manifest like your head is spinning. Number one, you have to understand that your outside reality is sort of simulation, meaning we live in 3D. 3D means this is the third dimensional space. You have that perception, that illusion of separation that Albert Einstein was talking about. And that illusion of separation is basically keeping you trapped. It gives you that illusion that you need time and space to create things, to manifest things. In one way, it's illusion, but in the other way, it actually takes time to manifest in 3D, right? We are not jumping within seconds from one reality to another. However, we are manifesting instantly from higher dimension. Once you understand that you are not necessarily manifesting from 3D, but you are manifesting from 5D, and in 5D you manifest instantly. That being said, in this second, you can shift into different reality. In this second, you can totally shift into different timeline. In fact, you are shifting into different timeline in this second. And then once you actually put your attention and focus, your attention and focus is the glue. It's the glue, it's that energy that you need to manifest your preferred desired reality, whatever you want to call it, your higher reality. And so when you put that attention and that focus into that new version of reality that you want to manifest, and you keep it there, that's when the reality will rearrange in front of your eyes and you will be able to witness it in 3D. Because we are in 3D, because in 3D there is a different density and things usually manifest within certain time frame, right? The most challenging part is to trust and keep that energy focus on that thing that you are manifesting. When you master putting your trust into what you're manifesting, and when you master actually keeping the focus and attention on the thing you want instead of withdrawing it and questioning it and wondering and switching back and forth between realities, if you can actually master these two things, that you will be focusing only on what you want despite of the circumstances, and you will be trusting the process despite of the circumstances, the 3D circumstances, then you will absolutely shift quickly. This shift is happening in this moment, and it's already happening in 5D. And so the more you ignore the 3D, the more power you give to your manifestation, because you trust in that unseen. You trust in that spiritual realm more than into the material realm. And because your trust is actually the glue, your focus is the glue, your attention is the glue. In other words, that is that magic power within you that is doing the work for you. It's the frequency, if you will, that is doing the work for you. It will manifest. What I did was to tune into that potential through the present moment, because we can only access these new realities through the present moment. And as I was tuning into this new potential through the present moment, aka meditation, right? In the meditation, I was actually imagining. So I was using the visualization, which is the electric signal that my brain sends out. And I was combining that electrical signal with my magnetic signal that is coming from my heart. And therefore, when you merge the thought with that emotion together, you get what? Coherence. Coherence is the key here. The coherence will do the work in that quantum field, because we attract based on frequency. Based on frequency, you will manifest it. not based on hard work. We manifest based on this coherence that you are creating in your field, electromagnetic field. This coherence will attract it too. So literally, I was focusing in my meditation, I was focusing my thoughts, I was merging my thoughts with my emotions. I was feeling like I'm already in that beautiful relationship. I was thinking like I am already in that beautiful relationship in the present moment, which is important. You have to understand that we only manifest through present moment. So you can only do this through now. You cannot do it one day in the future. So every time there is a condition like I have to do this or that in order to get there, you are postponing that manifestation. When you merge in the moment, like I'm manifesting now, and you merge that thought with that emotion in this moment, you're accessing different reality, you're accessing different timeline. I was merging my thought with my emotion in the now, and I was accessing different timeline, and I accepted like this is my new reality. The act of acceptance is actually that assumption. That is exactly what Neville Goddard is talking about when he says, live in the end. Live in the end is to assume it's already here. It's to assume it's mine. It's to assume I already accepted this new reality, right? And that is when you are actually shifting to the different timeline. I was living in the 3D like it's already done, which is a very important part. Because when you start living in 3D like it's already done, you clearly show that you ignore the circumstances, you don't care what's really going on in material reality, because the material reality is a reflection of your old self anyway, and you are no longer that person. And because you are no longer that person, you are being this new version of you who is already feeling and thinking like the new version of you. And as a result, you will take action that is coming from that new version of you. Guess what's going to happen? The outside reality will rearrange itself, because it cannot be any other way. You match that frequency with that preferred reality that you want to manifest, and guess what? It will come back to you, because it's physics. So try it out. Let me know in the comment section what you are manifesting. Let's play with this experiment and see what happens within the next 30 days. And I'll see you in my next video.